Last function problem here. This one is also calculator inactive. So out of the 5 sample ones that I was giving you, only one of them has been calculator active. They typically make it so the numbers and functions are manageable. Let's look at this one. They give us a graph of g, and it's a piecewise linear function defined from -2 pi to 4 pi. And then they tell us also that f of x, another function, is equal to g of x, the one we're looking at, minus the cosine of x over 2. So they want us to, first of all, find the integral from -2 pi to 4 pi of that function that they just asked us about, or just gave us. So let's write it out. Let's think about it. F of x is equal to g of x. So the integral of a graph that we're given is the area under the curve, is it not? So we've got a triangle here. Look at it as one big triangle. Okay, 1/2 times the base. The base is length 6 pi. Times the height. The height is 2 pi. Right? Is that what it is? Yeah, 2 pi. Okay, so that's the first part. Okay. The second part of this is, and I'm splitting this up into the integral of cosine of x over 2 from -2 pi to 4 pi, dx. I went ahead and put the minus sign in front. You may prefer to have it with the function, but it really doesn't matter. So let's see here. Let's go ahead and simplify a little bit. We've got 3 pi times 2 pi, so that's 6 pi squared. The antiderivative of cosine would be sine, and it's of x over 2. So if we were taking the derivative of that, we would multiply by 1/2, but we're doing the antiderivative, so we're going to multiply by 2. I evaluated from -2 pi to 4 pi. So let's keep simplifying here. So 4 pi over 2 minus 2 sine of -2 pi over 2. Don't ask me why I decided to throw so many parentheses in there. Okay, 4 pi over 2 reduces to 2 pi. The sine of 2 pi is 0. 2 pi over 2 reduces to -pi. The sine of -pi is 0. So this ends up simplifying to just 6 pi squared.